Preserving hallowed ground and returning it closer to its 1863 appearance is a major component of the Gettysburg Foundation's mission. In recent years, the Gettysburg Foundation has funded the successful rehabilitation of several iconic locations on the battlefield. Culps Hill has seen an increase in visitation after decades of being overlooked due to inaccessibility. New educational experiences and a thin woodlot now allows guests to fully experience and appreciate a critical point in the Union defensive line. To restore Cemetery Ridge to its 1863 appearance, the Gettysburg Foundation raised over $1 million to remove the cyclorama building and the old visitor center parking lot. This project also allowed supporters of the park to be involved on a more personal level by building historic fences during the Friends of Gettysburg annual volunteer workday. It's our largest preservation project to date. The Gettysburg Foundation provided more than $3.7 million to the rehabilitation of one of the battlefield's most iconic landmarks, Little Round Top. Our generous donors' contribution have gone towards increased access, trails and gathering spaces, erosion control, parking, and additional signage that will increase the educational impact of this hallowed location. Off the battlefield, the Gettysburg Foundation is currently raising funds that will be dedicated to the care and preservation of artifacts. This will allow the park to better curate our collection of 1.25 million artifacts, care for new artifacts discovered on the battlefield, and rotate artifacts in display so each visit to the museum yields a new experience for our guests. All proceeds from this year's Giving Tuesday donations will go to the Gettysburg Foundation Endowment. And rest assured, by contributing to this endowment, you will help preserve Gettysburg for generations to come. We thank you for this donation, and we appreciate you leaving your mark to help us preserve Gettysburg.